Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open the message you want and act immediately. You need the message displayed in full, not just the preview. Once visible, click the three-dot menu in the message header. Choose Print or Save as PDF. This is the only way to render embedded QR images reliably. If there's no print, select View Message Source and search for image references. Save the referenced image. You're starting with the message, and the rest depends on producing a printable or savable view you can extract. Once you have the print or save as PDF output, open that PDF and locate the QR visually. Make sure it is clear and not cropped. You can use a snipping tool to grab a high-resolution snapshot, or, better, inspect the HTML source to find the image URL and download the original PNG or JPG. Make sure to preserve resolution. Low-res scans break scanners. If you used View Message Source, copying the image URL into a browser often yields the highest quality file. Finish by testing the QR code with your phone or a desktop scanner app to verify it scans to the intended link or data. If it fails, return to the PDF or source and extract at higher resolution, or download the original image URL instead of a screenshot. Make sure to crop tightly and avoid compression. Troubleshooting tip: if the link is missing from the image, inspect the message source for inline attachments. Missing attachments mean you must request the sender to reattach the QR image.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.